Yeah, it's been a bit of an hectic week so far, but enjoyable. Nearly every day got something on this week. So I've been just doing dribs and drabs on the project. Still waiting for parts to come. But I've been working on I got back this afternoon. So I had a chance to do a bit on the hard nose on the 951. So waiting for springs for the catches for the safety pins. Started rubbing down, straightening, removing broken bolt, seized bolts. So just tacked it together now just tonight. I've run out of high build primer. That's coming next day or two. I've got the rubber strips for the radiator baffles in there to stop dust getting dragged right through into the engine compartment. So basically I've got a bit more rubbing down to do on this. I've got about an hour's work on it to prep it, probably another hour or two to do the spring. 2 springs need changing, and then an hour to do the rubbers, to drill them out and refit them. But yeah, it should come up alright. Took it right back to bare metal like I usually do. I had to have 2 baths this week of yellow now after doing the inside. Yesterday I'd done the outside. This afternoon I'd done the inside, and there was a bit of a yellow cloud around here. So come to the end of another day. Tomorrow I won't be doing much. I'm going into Cardiff with the Canton gang, so I'll be down there in the afternoon, so I won't be doing much in the morning. I'm going to do a bit of shopping, and I'm back at my mother's in on Friday to do a couple of things, whatever she wants to do up there. But it's come up alright. I took a couple of dents out of the grill, and it's come up pretty good. But she took some cleaning down. This is when sandblasting comes into good effect, really. But as you can see, these little cutaways, you pull them down, it releases the pins. See, it's locked in now. See that pin there? It's actually locked that in. That's the way it should be. And if you try and feel it, that's the same. See the pins come out. They were seized up, so I took all the rubber strips out of the back. The radiator fits onto there. See, there's 2 bolt holes there. So they drop into there. All that's going to be rubbed down underneath there. Most of it's done. It's just a bit more prep work. And those little springs there are going to be changed. They're rotted out, they're corroded. So, and the front hard nose will be overhauled. And then you'll be onto the radiator, doing tests on that, checking the serviceability of the radiator. And by then, the parts I'm waiting for should be here. So till next time.